to stay, a life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die, looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who will never let go. Just watch us run to where no one knows. We'll never grow. We'll never grow. Don't look back, we're here to stay, a life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the border.
Yo my friends, back Neel again. So guys, today is my second day in Fiji Island. So you can see there is a signboard written the lower garden and beach down. So that means I am going to the golden sand beach. So I'm really excited right now, and I hope I will do a couple of things on the beach. And look at the place guys, it's absolutely nice. So the way you can do the exit from the resort and see the resort. So this is just outside of my resort. And here you can relax, very nice. In front of me there is a shower area, kind of shower. So let me show you guys that place. You can do some relax, some shacks are there, and this is the rooms of my resort. So चलते हैं, let's go by this small road, sandy road. Guys, if you can see, there is my room actually over there, that side. This is the beach side actually. So you can see there are a couple of people who are taking the suntan and all. Now it is almost 6 over here. So very nice breeze and winds are absolutely nice. So here is a surfing boat. So there is something like don't feed the animals, beach flag warning system. Okay, so you need to maintain some rules over here if you are going inside the beach. And this is the beach gate. Now guys, let's go inside the beach. This is totally private beach, and now it is a sunset time. Hi.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Hi. So this is the sunset time. You can see the beautiful sun and sandy beach.
I can almost feel you
this is my resort. So guys, there are a couple of people who were taking bath, and that is the that side you can take bath and you can swim. That is safe side. But yes, you are not allowed to do anything over here because this is totally rock and stones, and it's very dangerous. Look at that. But as I have found. So my friends, today I don't have any plan, just to enjoy this beautiful sea, sunset, rock, and in combination everything is make a beautiful paradise. So look at this beautiful view, and actually today I'm thinking to spend the full time over here because this is a peaceful place. It's absolutely peaceful place. You can hear the, you can hear, right? You can hear the sea, the sound of the sea when it is coming, and it's absolutely nice. So check my videos and enjoy it. If you like that, please make the like, make a big thumbs up. Also, if you new this channel, subscribe it and share it with your friends, families. Okay, so let me just enjoy now. Take some photos and then I'll come back, guys. Okay, keep watching, stay tuned, and keep traveling. Bye bye, guys.